Howdy folks, I'm John, assembling this here computer. We're going to be putting the CPU into a brand new motherboard today. Timmy, my buddy neighbor, is doing the filming. We're going to be working with a Ryzen 9 3900X 12 core 24 thread central processing unit. It's a pretty good CPU. And if you're going to be doing video editing, you ought not be trying to work with anything less than 8 cores. And 12 will stand you good for several years. Always have some extra thermal grease on hand anytime you're doing any of this. What they give you with a cooler is enough for 1 or 2 times, maybe. But it's usually not going to be the highest quality. I'm old school. I still ground most of the time. That corner. The corner with the triangle on it has to be matched up to a corner on the socket where this plugs into. All those gold pins, that's why these are very pricey, that and all that smart sand. These are very delicate. Don't drop it. This is one of the easiest and most fun parts of building, but also full of anxiety because that is delicate. It's the first thing you do when you put a motherboard together. That takes a bit of muscle. Watch that sled slide back and forth. That's how those pins lock into place. The CPU just drops down, the pins drop, and you don't have to do any pushing. No hammer required. There's the corner. And we have contact. We're going to give you a few different views. We did multiple takes and put a couple different coolers on, test fitting things. The name should match the black bar at the top. On the same plane. A little tiny wiggle. Always handle them by the edge. Wearing gloves is probably a good idea too. Do not touch the gold. You do not want to leave any trace of skin oil on this. It'll boil off and cause a hot spot. So you wipe it off with high-grade alcohol and a coffee filter. So what did we get for all this work? We got a very capable video editing machine that this video was edited on. You can see we come pretty high on Cinebench. Heaven, well, that's mainly a benchmark for GPU. I needed to have a vehicle, but I needed to have a computer that could do many things and keep up and keep me happy for several years. This thing just breezes through 4K video. and I can just scrub along the timeline. Everything's so good. Click like and subscribe. Follow us for more of the build. Thank you much now. Bye.